Rule 2 of the International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, or COLREGs, emphasizes that the responsibility for avoiding collisions lies with all vessels. No rule can replace the need for caution, good seamanship, and common sense. This means that even if a vessel technically has the right of way, it must still take action to prevent a collision when necessary. Rule 2 is all about responsibility. It ensures that mariners are not just following the letter of the rules, but the spirit of safety. Vessels must use all means necessary to avoid danger, even if the other vessel is breaking the rules. This rule empowers every captain and crew to prioritize safety above everything else. Practical application 1. Head-on collision scenarios. Let's say two vessels are heading directly toward each other. Even though both should alter course to avoid a collision, if one vessel does not, Rule 2 places the responsibility on the other to take evasive action, even if it means breaking a rule, such as altering course to starboard. The goal is to avoid a collision at all costs. Practical application. 2. Poor visibility conditions. In fog or heavy rain, visibility is reduced, and sound signals become vital. Suppose you hear the foghorn of a vessel but can't see it. Rule 2 requires you to immediately slow down and navigate with extreme caution. Even if you are in the right, the rule prioritizes safety over who has the right of way. In such situations, responsibility is shared, and avoiding an accident takes precedence. Practical application. 3. Overtaking situation. In an overtaking situation, the vessel doing the overtaking must give way to the other. But what happens if the overtaken vessel is not maintaining proper speed or does not make the situation clear? Under Rule 2, both vessels have the responsibility to communicate, adjust speed, or take whatever actions are necessary to prevent a collision, even if it means the overtaken vessel must alter course unexpectedly. How Rule 2 connects to other rules. Rule 2 is the backbone of the COLREGs. It complements every other rule by stressing that no rule can replace good judgment. Whether it's crossing situations, overtaking, or navigating in poor weather, Rule 2 reminds us that safety must always come first. It also connects closely with Rule 1, which establishes that all vessels must follow the regulations, reinforcing that responsibility lies with everyone on the water. In summary, Rule 2 serves as a constant reminder that above all, mariners are responsible for avoiding collisions, no matter the circumstances. Whether you're navigating in clear waters or heavy fog, this rule gives you the authority to take whatever actions are necessary to ensure safety on the water. For a complete understanding of how Rule 2 works with other rules, continue exploring the rest of the COLREGs.